I'm Nichole Ulibarri, the registered dietitian at Dr. Rogers Centers. If you're concerned about hair loss as it relates to your hormones, if you're somebody who is getting hormone replacement therapy or you're going through menopause and you've noticed some changes in your hair, one solution that we have is a product called Natural DHT. We have two pathways where we metabolize testosterone. One of the pathways specifically creates an abundance of DHT, which leads to things like hair loss and acne. We have this product, Natural DHT solution, that forces your testosterone down the other pathway so we can protect the hair that you have and stimulate new growth and also protect and keep your skin healthy.